The Patient Care Provider Award recognizes pharmacists who have established themselves as exemplary patient advocates through a focus on patient care and customer service. Alicia B. Fornash is a professor of pharmacy practice at the University of Health Sciences and Pharmacy in St. Louis, Missouri. Inspired by her mother and love for chemistry to pursue a career in healthcare, Alicia is now one of a few pharmacists practicing full-time in obstetric pharmacy. The clinical practice she created at the Maternal and Fetal Care Center at SSM Health St. Mary's Hospital now serves as a model for interprofessional practice and education. She also helped establish a health center to provide comprehensive, high-risk maternity care for women with addiction and was selected to serve on an NIH task force to address knowledge gaps and effective therapies. She remains committed to treating all her patients like family. Kristen Hartzell is Vice President of Hartzell's Pharmacy in Schnecksville, Pennsylvania. Kristen was first inspired to enter the healthcare profession in high school while working in a nursing home and connecting with the residents to make a positive impact on their health. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Kristen used her expertise to develop COVID-19 immunization best practices and assisted in deployment preparation such as webinar education and vaccine screening tools that later served as the template for pharmacists across the country. As of June, her team administered 7,000 vaccines, many to people who would not have been able to receive the vaccines elsewhere. She shares a vision that pharmacists will be universally recognized as healthcare providers. Edmund Hudon is the owner of the Medicine Shop in Boyertown, Pennsylvania. As an integral part of his community, Ed prides himself on knowing each patient personally. Ed rallied his team and a group of volunteers to provide more than 37,000 COVID-19 vaccinations to the Montgomery County community, focusing on nursing homes and vulnerable or underserved populations. His clinical services include mental health screenings, COPD and asthma management, and tobacco cessation programs. Ed attributes his motivation to enter pharmacy to his first boss, who instilled in him a love for helping people and the community. He expects the future of pharmacy to become more collaborative between all healthcare professionals to provide the best care for patients.